What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to do something different. We decided to come out later in the evening. We've come down to the Snake River. We're going to check out the Chinese garden. And there's Bubbalicious, Devin. He's got the GoPro. He's going to be filming himself as well.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and take a little tour.
So this is what all the YouTubers feel like. I always make a video at home. I never had a special place or something.
Well, it makes it a little different.
Yeah. It feels different at filming a video at home with channel.
I love it.
How you doing, man?
I love it. Look at you.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, what's
Vlog
happening?
life. Vlog
Yes.
life. Vlog life. You hear that right there?
I have a YouTube channel. I vlog like crazy.
Us
so
too.
when I seen you guys, I was like, look at my little man vlogging. You almost fell over watching me though.
He was it's his first time doing it, and so he's a little nervous. He's walking backwards, hasn't quite got it down yet.
And you're vlogging with a GoPro. That's even harder.
Yes.
Are you watching it on your phone?
No, I'm going to my second channel.
Oh, okay. What's your channel?
It's Devin Howard.
Devin Howard. D-E-V-I-N
I-N.
or O-N?
D-I-N.
Devin Howard.
D-E-V-I-N.
It's my first name and last name.
My channel is Silly Boy Films. And Films has a Z, not an S.
Yeah, I think I saw you before.
You did you? Yeah, I'm all over pretty much. Good, Devin. Nice to meet you, buddy. I'm going to go follow that. Good job. Okay, I'm sorry. Have fun, guys.
Let's see. So guys, I'm actually going to take
You guys have got to see this. A lot of you from Idaho Falls come down here. Those of you that aren't Idaho Falls and start watching our channel, you have to understand one of the beautiful things about living in this area. The view down here is absolutely amazing.
Can I get as many pictures? I want to get like safe pictures or something. Dad, if you were to jump in there, that would be so cool. You see the water drinking. Oh, there's Griffin.
Griffin, my beautiful wife up there. She's got her camera taking some still shots. Devin being a goofball with the GoPro. Oh, Griffin got an owie.
I don't know what.
kids checking out the bear.
Don't walk this thing. Come.
You don't see stuff like this everywhere, but here in Idaho, around our river, statues with plants growing in it. My wife up here with the camera taking still shots.
You gotta look at me. Stare at cool with the video. It's cool. The duck race? Dad, did you go to the duck race?
Absolutely. So come on.
Yeah.
Got a guy that wants to walk up me in the vlog. Just walk around the river, say what's up.
What's up, guys?
Hey, we'll change around so you get a little better lighting because we're in the sun, so you can actually see his face. Look, he has a face.
Yeah.
How's that? Dude, check out the vlog. Subscribe, Jamie Q. Howard. Look it up.
Okay.
I guess we shouldn't edit that part out, right? You're right, yeah. We'll keep that in. You ever heard that joke? You see the video of the bear swinging in the air, you know, the bee you can't see? Well, she was just doing that. They're way up there. One thing about these long walks, it's good for me. You get a lot of exercise, but for a fat kid, it causes you to sweat a lot. Well, we got the Sandpiper Bar and Grill, patio dining. Some of the best seafood in Idaho Falls right there, Sandpiper Bar and Grill. Right next door to the Sandpiper Bar and Grill, you've got the Shiloh Inn. The Shiloh Inn's restaurant and bar also has an outside patio. Now I'll have to do a little bit of research because I can't remember, but out in the middle of the river we have a small island, and on that island there's still a couple of cabins. Now of course those cabins aren't inhabited, but as old as Idaho Falls is, there's no telling how long they've been there. Well, halfway mark, took a little break. As you can see behind me, this is where the boat launch is for this part of the river.
I'll be right back.
Picnic area. There is no camping down here, but it makes for fun, especially when you got a river boat. Halfway, still at the boat docks. Really nice river boat just pulled up. Probably not be sitting here when it gets fired up. We'll be on the other side, but trust me, you'll still be able to hear that boat when it fires up. One nice thing about coming out later in the day is it's not quite as hot. Still above 75 degrees out here, but with the cloud cover, it makes it a lot cooler. At least it mentally feels a lot cooler. All right, time for the second half. Honey, how many miles is it around the river? Okay, I was wrong. It's only 2 point something miles, but this fat kid, it feels like 10. So if I fall down at the end of this video, you'll know why. Well, we're on the other side of the river now.
No. It was paused. It was not, you little sneak. It was. Too. I'll be putting my butt in your video. I didn't.
My youngest son, Griffin, he's videoing as we go too. Had to tie his shoe and he set his phone down. And my wife's biggest worry is that he's filming her butt. So we'll film her butt. Ignore that middle finger. We'll edit that out.
I'll give you a cue. Just delete the video. So, while this video is paused, you're not worried about your kid falling out.
All right, we've hit a shady spot so the sun's not directly at our back. Okay, it's pretty bad when the fat kid gets passed by a kid with training wheels. Been flying by. With as calm as the water is on the river today, these flat bottom boats like this just fly. Well, he's flipped around. Let's get a quick look. Moving!
You already did this one. Nope, that's an out. The other one was it. It has the same thing. Nope. Look at its horns. Look at that. This might be out of battery soon. Dad. Hey, Chrissy. Chrissy. Come around. Look at me. What button? Dad, what
Plant growing statues shaped like animals located here in Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming.
button? Yes. No, those are here. Yes. That's the boy here.
See, occasionally we have to sneak her into the video because she likes taking the photos, but she doesn't like being in them.
I'm gonna kick you in your nuts. Hey, Dad. Just the thought thrill you.
Now she's threatening me with bodily harm. And I'm actually scared of her. I'm 6'1", 240 pounds. She's like 5'3".
5'2.5".
I stand corrected, 5'2.5". And I'm scared of her. She knows where I sleep. Never a good thing to piss the mom off. 2.4 miles later, we made it back to the car. Everybody's in one piece. This fat man didn't pass out. But now it's time to go get some dinner. So I think Los Albertos restaurant, here we come.